it's your boy the Body Man. We back on this 72 Cutlass, man. Told you the next video, man, we're gonna have the motor sitting in there, man. We got the motor put in there. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna take it to the mechanic. Go ahead on and get it wired up. Ain't nothing much, you know. Just a little 350 with some good heads, that's all. Nothing major. You know what I'm saying? Giving y'all an update. And I went ahead and did the lip on the trunk too. You know, we got the lip. There wasn't no lip on the trunk. We got that. Got a little mud. Do a little body work. Then she done. We're trying to get the flow in there. Trying to get the flow done. Mechanic shop. They leave the mechanic shop. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the fender liners, the fenders back on, you know, all after they come back. We found a hood that we're gonna put on here. We just gotta go down to Fort Lauderdale to go pick it up. Our next step after those, we're gonna take out the front windshield because it got a little hole right here. I want the whole front windshield taken out. You know, the whole front windshield. I gotta be taken out. I could just put bundle, but we're not doing it like that. We're doing it the right way. Take the whole windshield out. Go ahead and put metal back in it. Do our little body work. Straighten this up. We're just gonna tighten up on the little body work. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some black on here and block it one more time before it goes to paint. You know, make sure I got every little dings, every little scratches, you know, a little paint peeling. Make sure I got all that. We found a bumper. We found a front bumper for it. Thank God. We found a front bumper. You know, we got the front bumper for it. Yes. I went ahead and put the lip back on. You know, got a little mud and smoothed it down. You know. After all that, I'm gonna go back over it. Go ahead and spray the guide coat black. Go back over it and make sure we got every dent, every scratch, every peel off of it. And we're gonna make sure that we get inside the door jambs and smooth everything out. Take out all this old weather stripping, you know. Take out all this, make sure it's sand it down, prime it up real good, you know. And oh yeah, you know, we got our little fender well. We got a radiator right here, but I don't know. I don't know if it'll work, but I had the owner go ahead and purchase a stock radiator stop AC condenser, you know, and then oh, I forgot. We have to try to find. I guess we're gonna go ahead and order a disc brake system or whatever to put on here, because it has rotors in the front. We can't do that. We can't stop the big rims with the rotors like that. So we're gonna go ahead and put disc brakes. You know, we'll go on from there. And guess the next time I update you guys, the motor should be running. All the little body work should be done, and we supposed to be prepping for paint. You know, we're just gonna go ahead and prep it for paint. But I wanted to update you guys on that. You know, 72 Cutlass. I know you guys probably like, what is that? What are them parts? They parts for a scooter. You know, a little candy, that's all. You know. Y'all ever seen a scooter with some music? Yeah, that bitch gotta have some speakers in it. It's loud too. It's loud, by the way. It's loud. Yes. But that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to update you guys on all that. But like I say, trying to get this thing done and running. And after that, man, I can't wait to the finished product. I'm talking about painted rims. That ain't nothing. That's the easy part right there. So, all right, you guys. Till next time. 772 Customs. We own it, man. Like I said, man, call us, man, at 772-940-6570. You know what I'm saying? If you want to ship your project or whatever, I got you. We got reasonable prices. Huh? You know, 2020. We're going to go ahead and up our game, I guess. Like they say, up in the game. You know, restorations. You know, I'm doing all of it. I'm doing all the restoration, man. I love doing restoration, so we're going from there. So, till next time, guys. 772 Custom. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel for all the updates. Peace.